Hello and welcome back. I'm going to be doing the install of Zabbix, and when I do the install, I use a shell script. I did not write this. I will put a link on where I got this from. I will not post it on my website. You'll have to download it from his site. And basically, after I download it, since I'm actually running this from a Windows system, I'm going to copy the install file over to the Linux system that I have set up. It's a plain Jane minimal install. And it's there, and then what we'll do is go through the steps through the script there. So I'm just going to copy it from my local system over to the temp directory. I'm just going to set the properties real quick. You can also do this from Linux as well. Set the change mod it over there. Okay. Now that that's out of the way, I'm on the host, and then from this host, we'll change to the temp directory. There's the install script. Then I'm just going to do a install Zabbix, and here it tells you what to do. Run at your own risk. Install Zabbix, drops existing database. Does not install MySQL. It tells you what you need to do to install MySQL on here. Since it does not have MySQL on it, I'm actually going to cancel out of this. I'm going to do what it tells me to do here. Install MySQL server. Yes to that. Okay, just going to clear this up. Get that installed all right. Run that script again. Everything looks good there. Just type go. It says that the basic MySQL passed. It's downloading the RPM Forge release. Those 66 packages. Yeah, he did a really nice job on this script. I mean, it makes it really easy and takes out of a lot of human errors that could be made for the install. It's done installing, now it's verifying. All right, now it's downloading the latest Zabbix, which is the 2.2.1 tar file. Pass the configuration. Compile passed. And it's doing a make install. Passed. Okay, looking at the script right now, it's installing the database or importing the database. That's probably why it's taking a long period of time. Obviously, if you have more memory and faster CPU and all that stuff, it'd be a lot faster. This is actually in a VM, so it won't be the fastest install, but still, it's a pretty neat script that he's created for this. Okay, looks like it's up, so let's try logging in through a web server or website. And looks good so far, so let's log in with the default admin and Zabbix. And looks good. Next steps will be setting up some hosts that we can monitor them and see them and configure them and check all that stuff out. But it's just the initial install of it. And looks good from that point. That concludes this video. Again, this is installing Zabbix 2.2.1 on CentOS 6.5 using a script and getting up and running in about 10 minutes or less. Thanks again, and you can get more information at info.bing14.net. There'll also be some notes in the video location as well, where I got the script from, and a shout out to the person that created it, because it's really a nice, quick, fast install, a great script. Thanks again.